Looking for the best brake pad that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best brake pad that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick: Bendix brake pad. Designed as a direct OE replacement, these premium ceramic brake pads deliver a precise fit and dependable performance without the hassle of modifications. Built from high-quality, wear and corrosion-resistant materials, they are engineered to withstand daily driving while maintaining long-lasting durability. Their advanced ceramic formulation helps minimize brake fade, providing smooth, quiet, and consistent stopping power even during frequent braking, which enhances driver confidence and overall road safety. Rigorously tested to meet or exceed industry standards, these brake pads offer reliable braking performance that drivers can trust for everyday commuting and long-distance travel alike. They are an excellent choice for restoring factory-level braking efficiency on compatible vehicles, including select Lexus, Pontiac, Scion, and Toyota models such as the Corolla, RAV4, Matrix, Prius V, and Vibe. Combining OE quality construction, dependable stopping power, and extended service life, these brake pads deliver outstanding value for drivers seeking safe, reliable, and low-maintenance brake performance. Next up is Bosch brake pad. Bosch Blue ceramic brake pads are an excellent upgrade for drivers seeking dependable braking performance, long-lasting durability, and quieter operation. Featuring platform-specific ceramic friction formulations, these pads deliver strong, consistent stopping power while minimizing brake fade during everyday driving. The original equipment-style multi-layer shims effectively reduce vibration and brake noise, ensuring smooth and quiet stops. Rust-inhibitive coated steel backing plates help prevent corrosion, extending pad life and maintaining reliable performance in varying weather conditions. OE-style slots and chamfers further enhance braking efficiency by promoting even wear and reducing unwanted noise. Installation is straightforward, with the package including brake pads for one axle, a hardware kit, synthetic lubricant, and a protective shop towel for added convenience. Designed to fit a wide range of Hyundai and Kia models, including the Sonata, Elantra, Tucson, Azura, Optima, Sportage, Soul, and Amanti, these brake pads provide an outstanding balance of safety, comfort, and value for everyday drivers. Coming in at number 3 is Wagner brake pad. The Wagner ceramic disc brake pad set is a dependable replacement designed to restore factory-level braking performance while delivering smooth, consistent stopping power. Engineered for even friction distribution, these brake pads enhance braking response and help maintain control during everyday driving. Their advanced ceramic construction significantly reduces brake noise and vibration, providing a quieter and more comfortable driving experience without sacrificing performance. The zero copper formulation not only meets modern environmental standards but also promotes extended pad life, reduced dust, and reliable durability over thousands of miles. Built with precision manufacturing and backed by Drive's commitment to quality, these pads offer dependable performance in a wide range of driving conditions. Compatible with select Buick X65, Buick BJ20, Chrysler Cirrus, Chrysler Sebring, and Chrysler 200 models, this brake pad set is an excellent choice for drivers seeking a balance of safety, durability, low-maintenance operation, and OE-like braking confidence at an affordable price. Now number 4, Sci2 brake pad. This 4-piece brake pad set is a reliable OE-style replacement designed to deliver consistent braking performance for compatible Chevrolet Cruze, Cruze Limited, and Sonic models. Manufactured to precise factory specifications, the pads provide a perfect fit for hassle-free installation, making them an excellent choice for routine brake maintenance. The integrated gasket acts as a vibration buffer between the caliper piston and brake pad backing plate, effectively minimizing brake noise for a smoother and quieter driving experience. Featuring a slotted friction surface, these brake pads promote even heat distribution, faster heat dissipation, improved ventilation, and better water drainage, helping maintain dependable stopping power under various driving conditions. The enhanced design also supports more uniform pad wear, contributing to longer service life and reliable everyday performance. Whether replacing worn factory pads or restoring braking confidence, this brake pad set offers an excellent balance of durability, quiet operation, easy installation, and dependable safety. Always verify vehicle compatibility before purchasing to ensure the correct fit. And finally, our last pick is Power Stop Brake Pad. The Power Stop Z26 Street Performance Front Brake Pad Kit is an outstanding upgrade for drivers who demand stronger, more responsive braking from high horsepower and performance-oriented vehicles. Featuring advanced carbon fiber ceramic brake pads, this kit delivers exceptional stopping power with excellent fade resistance, making it ideal for aggressive street driving and spirited performance use. The low-dust formulation helps keep wheels cleaner than traditional performance pads while maintaining consistent braking under demanding conditions. Engineered as a direct-fit replacement, the kit includes installation hardware for a straightforward installation and OE-level fitment, reducing downtime during brake service. Designed specifically for modern muscle cars and modified performance vehicles, the Z26 pads provide confident pedal feel, reliable heat management, and dependable braking even during repeated hard stops. Backed by a performance protection warranty, this brake upgrade offers an excellent combination of durability, braking confidence, and long-term value. Always verify vehicle compatibility before purchasing to ensure the correct fit for your application. So those were the top 5 best brake pad you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.